Welcome. In front of me is a Realme 13 Pro Plus, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, we're gonna open up our settings, and in here, scroll all the way down to System and Update, and then select, where is it? Oh, there we go. Backup and reset. Reset phone. Erase all data. Clear, clear, and this will now begin factory resetting your device. Now this process will take about 2 minutes or so to finish up, and once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.